Omega, the name you can trust in electronics. It's not exactly something you'd expect to see on an Omega watch, but this isn't any old Omega watch. This is the MegaQuartz. Originally, the MegaQuartz was made as a marine chronometer, but in 1974 it was released to the public in the 1500 variation of the movement. And it's believed that only 1,000 were made in this style, and only 100 have this style. Come take a look at this. It's gorgeous. Now the dial is known as Aventurine. I'm probably pronouncing that completely wrong, but it's so unique and so special that none are alike. The way this is actually made is this was put on by hand. It's like Aventurine dust that was put on over layers and layers and layers, which means every single one is different. In 1974, when this was actually retailed, it was retailed for £604. By comparison, in the exact same period, the Speedmaster was only £134. If you do the conversion, by today's standard, that price would be over £6,000 retail, and trust me, this watch is a lot less than that on the website at the moment. With only 100 estimated to exist ever, I doubt there's any others in quite this condition. Not only this condition, but also with all of this. You have the original international guarantee, which is signed 1981. You have the original MegaQuartz little guidebook, which, as you can see on the bottom there, the name you can trust in electronics. It has the spare links in this little pouch, and the pouch is the original one where the links were removed. It's just incredible to have a full set with such a beautiful watch. Now, you could say this is a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity to buy something like this, and you know, with only 100 known to exist with this style, I'd probably say so too. I don't think you're gonna see another one like this full set in this condition come up again, unless it is this exact watch. Now, my predictions are this is gonna sell to a collector. Someone who is not gonna sell this, probably wear it very rarely, and it will probably go in a safe. So get on over to kibblewatches.co.uk and pick this watch up whilst it's still there.